want to use a color that's closest to your skin tone. Here I'm using the color Apricot by MUD, and I'm applying this all over my eyelid with a big fluffy blending brush. This is going to create an even texture and prevent any harsh lines from when we're building up color and definition. Using the Armed and Gorgeous palette from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Cosmetics, the first color I'm picking up is the color Agent. I'm using this color to warm up my crease and my outer V. Now picking up the color Smooth Criminal with the taper blending brush, you want to focus this mainly on the area of the outer V. Here, I'm prepping my eyelid with the Glitter Primer by NYX. Using a packing brush, you want to dip this into the color Access and then apply this all over the lid. Now, using a smaller blending brush, I'm dipping this into the color Proud. I'm going to use this color to deepen the outer V and also work the excess pigment into the crease. Here I'm using some more primer, applying this to the middle of my lid, and then going in with the color Guilt Trip. To warm up the lower lash line, I'm using a small pencil brush and the color Agent. The next step is using a flat brush and the color Prowl to add definition into the lower lash line. Next, you want to blend those colors together so there's no harsh lines.